Hi everyone, welcome to Yum Yum Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious copycat chicken fritta, just like the one you love from your favorite restaurant. Let's get started. First, we'll prepare the chicken. Take 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and pound them to an even thickness. Season both sides with salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Set them aside. Next, set up your breading station. In one bowl, beat 2 eggs. In another bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Dip each chicken breast in the flour mixture, then the egg, and finally coat it in the breadcrumb mixture. Make sure it's well coated. Heat a 1/4 cup of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chicken breasts and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Remove and set aside on a paper towel-lined plate to drain any excess oil. Now for the creamy Alfredo sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and bring to a simmer. Add 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and stir until the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the crispy chicken fritta over a bed of cooked pasta and generously drizzle the creamy Alfredo sauce on top. Garnish with fresh parsley and extra Parmesan cheese if desired. And there you have it, copycat chicken fritta that's crispy, creamy, and utterly delicious. Enjoy!